kasi kung ikaw compare mo kasi yung skin ko before, mga 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago. Dito ko, oh, sobrang dami, oh. Kaya nga may mga scars ako dito. Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! Hey ate! Say hi to the vlog. Good morning! Morning pa rin ba? It's already afternoon. It's already 3:20 p.m. Halos kagigising ko lang guys kasi nag-night shift ako kagabi and medyo toxic yung mga staff nurses natin. So, yeah, sila na toxic. Tumulong lang ako konti. And tulog ako hanggang 12 kanina. Nagising ako and then chill lang, kumain, ganyan. And now I'm editing a whole video. So, yun yung medyo mahaba-haba eh. Kinakat ko na siya kasi ang hirap mag-edit kapag mahaba. Nagano na naman ako. Nagbe-message na naman yung yung ka-work ko, yung kasama kong na-aksidente. Na may nga, ngayon daw yung schedule sana namin for the health lecture. Pero hindi ako prepared. Hindi ako nakagawa ng lecture ko and I still have a lot of things to do. Okay, sana kahit madami akong gagawin yung naka-prepare ako. Ayoko naman magsalita in front of a lot of people na hindi ako prepared. Siyempre, kapag may mga tanong yan, ano pa man din yung topic na gusto ko, yung medyo sensitive siya kasi it's about smoking. Namimili ako smoking and soda, soft drinks, ganun. Yun, medyo sensitive yung mga yun when it comes to health lecture. Madaming tanong talagang mga tao kapag ganun yung topic. So, sabi ko, ate, hindi ako nakapag-prepare. Though may ako dyan, may mga slides na ako dyan, pero hindi ko pa siya naaaral. I need to study my lecture before I deliver it. Grabe yung pimples ko. Oh, grabe na to ngayon. Hindi dati kasi, kung ikaw compare mo kasi yung skin ko before, mga 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago. Dito ko, oh, sobrang dami, oh. Kaya nga may mga scars ako dito, eh. Yan. Kasi nung after ko na, parang late ko na na-realize na, I need to make a move na pumunta na sa derma or something na ganyan. Too late na, may mga na ako, may mga scars na ako. Kaya kung kayo kapag ganun, punta na kayo sa derma kasi may gamot talaga kayong kailangang i-take. Hindi lang siya hindi lang yung mga may pahid-pahid lang or hindi lang yung mga pang skincare something. Kasi titingnan nila yan kung yung hormones mo, basta madami. Yun. Maganda lang yung mga pang skincare kapag na-treat na talaga yung underlying problem or cause ng pimples mo and then pang-maintenance mo na lang siya ngayon. So, yan guys. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, magbe-bentonite clay tayo. Ito guys, yung gagamitin ko na bentonite clay. This is the 3-in-1 bentonite clay mask na with seaweed extract, gluta collagen, and apple cider. Ito yung natimpla na. Gumawa na ako guys ng review ko ng ganito. It's already up on my channel. I will put the link down below if you haven't watched that yet. Go watch it kasi sobrang ganda ng benefits ng product na to. It's not because I wasn't paid to say these things. It's not because na-receive ko to ng free, but I've experienced the effect on my skin. And yun guys. So, gagamitin na natin siya. Asan na ang aking brush? I need a brush. Hanap ako ng hanap guys sa brush ko na to. Ito kasi yung pinang-brush ko sa bentonite clay. Yan, mas maganda kasi kapag na-brush, walang napupunta sa daliri ko. Kasi I still need to edit. So, kailangan kong hindi madumihan yung kamay ko kasi tinatamad na ako magbukas. Palitan ko lang yung stand nyo. Yan. Ang nahanap ko kanina, ito yung nasa set ng haul ko na brushes na binili ko sa Shopee guys. Ito yung pinang-brush ko naman kapag yung aloe vera gel yung ina-apply ko at night on my face. So, gagamitin natin to ngayon para hindi namin mix up. Okay. And, ito na ang sinasabi ko. Wala po tayong spatula. So, napaka niya oh. Okay na yan. Kaya na niya yan. guys, naglagay na ako and we will wait until it dries up. Mga 30 minutes siguro. Para at least malapit na ako matapos by that time. At least, I'm doing 2 things at the same time. Ang kate. Punta sa ilong ko. Napakalamig talaga niya. So, if you haven't watched my review, go watch my review, guys. Sabi ni Bebe, kasi nandito sa tabi ng vanity ko yung fan. So, papunta dun sa kanya yung hangin. Ang baho-baho daw, amoy candy na lemon. Sabi niya, Tita, are you eating candy? Bakit yung baho? Amoy candy. Sabi, ang baho. Baliw talaga to. Di ba ang bango? It's like peppermint candy kasi yung amoy niya, guys. Kaya, ganun. Tapos yung mga itim-itim na yan, those are seaweeds. Kaya may mga ganyan. Back to editing na tayo, guys. So, nakamas tayo. Medyo dumidikit yung headset ko sa mukha ko. Hey guys! Time check. It's already 5:40 PM. And tapos na ako mag-edit. Tapos na ako mag-edit ng video, ng thumbnail. And currently, I am editing the metadata of my video na lalabas ngayong gabi, which is a vlog. Sobrang productive ng day na to kahit nakatulog ako ng half day. Yun nga yung sinasabi nila, guys, na passion mo. Yun daw yung passion mo kapag off mo, kung ano yung ginagawa mo. Kasi parang considered off ko ngayon. Kung ano daw yung ginagawa mo, kung anong nakakapagpasaya sa'yo, na kahit wala ka namang pera, na kinikita, or what, ganyan. Happy ako. Happy tayo sa YouTube. So, yun guys, comment nyo down below kung ano yung mga hobby nyo, kung ano yung pinagkakaabalahan nyo kapag wala kayong magawa sa buhay. Pabili ko kay mama ko ng ballpen. Binilan niya ako ng pagkadami-dami. Pabili ako ng Faber-Castell, sabi ko, mga 3, sabi ko. Ang pinapabili ko lang, 3 pen. Binila niya ako ng 3 set. So, 6. Actually, 8 to eh. Kinuha lang niya yung isang pack na ganito. In fairness, mura ha. 29.75. So, parang 15 pesos lang yung isa. Pagkadami-dami. Lalagyan ko to ng pangalan kasi sa hospital kahit may pangalan na yan, hindi yan babalik. So sad. Yung pamangkin ko na rapper. Rapper? Rapper lang yan. Dito na siya. Rap na naman.
I spy with this life.
Salundan step. Turo-turo lang.
O sige na, kahit maano tayo, copyright tayo.
Some young hitters like to swag. Now some young hitters like to swag. Now some young hitters like to swag. Now some young hitters like to swag.
May papiano ba siya? Ulit na naman, ulit-ulit. Sige na nga, lagyan na nga natin dito.
I ain't been getting high, not even a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I spy with my little eye. A girlie I can get cause she don't get too many likes. A curly-headed cutie I can turn into my wife. Wait, that means forever, ever, hold up, never mind. Oh, mama told me, hey, not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. I spy with my little eye. Oh, I spy with my little eye. I spy with my little eye. Oh,
Yung young dumb na broke pa daw. Young dumb. Young dumb and broke.
in my bank account, in my bank account, in my bank account, in my bank account. One more time. Say I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to rain down, ready to rain down, ready to run you down, ready to run you down. You can't get with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. See, I don't dance now, I make money moves. So we don't dance now, we make money moves. Yeah, kid. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke high school kid.
Today I have stickers and makeup. So first I'll show you the makeups. So this is pink. This is pink.
Let me see.
And this is purple, and this is blue, my favorite color, purple.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of hundreds of stickers. This is the very giant velvet of stickers.
What are those? Let me see. Anong sticker yan?
Ring. Smile is grandma give this sticker.
Mm-hmm.
I wanna stick it to it.
No, you put it there first. We will put it in the planner. Oh, nice. Text time.
I wanna put it in you, tita.
Okay.
And there's also this sticker.
What sticker is that?
There's two
Oh,
cards.
Dad. It's about Daddy.
This is me, this is mommy, and this is daddy.
And then what else do you have there?
And I got this one. Oh, that's super funny. The snowman tried to skateboard into the snow, but you cannot skateboard. And I got an envelope. I got an envelope. You read it.
Envelope. No, don't show the address. And these are nice pang Christmas, and we also have cats. Si grandma mo talaga, ang dami niyang alam.
I wanna pick this one, the cat.
Listen to my heartbeat.